Ta-da! We've once again gotten our hands on the newly released Redmi Turbo 5.
That's wrong. It's about to be released.
This one we have here is the standard version. So in this video, we're going to simply unbox it and take a look at what this Turbo standard version is like and whether it's worth buying. Let's take a look at the accessories. We have a SIM ejector tool, the warranty card, and the user manual. Then over here, we have its protective case, which is made of a soft silicone material, and underneath that, we find the mobile phone itself. When I first got my hands on it, it felt quite light and thin. Let's put it aside for now. Next up, we have a 100-watt charger and an A to C charging cable. Alright, that's everything for the accessories. Now let's take a look at the color scheme of this phone. It's called Auspicious Cloud White, and the way the back is designed is truly very distinctive. It features a very intricate small grid design, and right here we have a vertical strip with a bright reflective edge, and then this section here features an AG frosted finish, giving it a premium feel. And right here you'll notice a distinctive red Redmi logo. The camera module itself is designed to be incredibly minimalist and clean. It houses two primary camera sensors, and the lens rings themselves also feature a subtle reddish reflective layer. And finally, the flash unit is positioned right here. With such a minimalist design, I personally feel this phone is genuinely quite beautiful. Don't you agree? Its main camera is the LYD600, and it also has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For a value-for-money performance phone, the camera just needs to be adequate. This time, its body is actually quite thin. Now pause. For this price point, having a metal frame is really quite good, and the overall texture and feel are excellent. Its thickness measures 8.18 millimeters, and its weight comes in at 204 grams. Pause also, it's still relatively light and thin. The standard version's front screen is 6.59 inches. Pause. This size is considerably smaller than the Max, and the grip feels very comfortable. Alright, that's the exterior design. Pause, let's power it on. You can see it still features this large corner design and an ultra-narrow symmetrical bezel design. Unlike the ultrasonic fingerprint of the Max version, the standard model uses a short-focus fingerprint solution. This display is quite impressive. It utilizes the same M10 luminous material as flagship models with a 1.5K resolution and a peak brightness that can reach 3500 nits. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch sampling rate. It employs a DC dimming and 3840Hz PWM hybrid dimming solution, making it quite eye-friendly for everyday use. Unlike the Max version, its processor utilizes the Dimensity 8500 Ultra chip, manufactured with a TSMC 4nm process. It's hailed as the most powerful Dimensity 800 series ever. Antutu benchmark scores can reach 2.62 million, so performance is absolutely not an issue. Furthermore, it's equipped with an LPDDR5X Ultra and UFS 4.1 high-performance combination. So even though it's the standard version, the Turbo 5's performance specs are still very good. Its battery capacity also reaches 7560 mAh. With a Xiaomi authorized battery, its endurance performance is highly anticipated. It also supports IP66, IP68, and IP69K full-level waterproofing. So don't just consider it a standard edition, because this time, its specifications are essentially maxed out. And compared to the Max version, its in-hand feel is even more outstanding, and the price will be significantly more affordable. Therefore, I believe the Redmi Turbo is still very much worth purchasing.